Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kent County in northwestern Texas, southwestern Dickens County in northwestern Texas, northeastern Garza County in northwestern Texas, southern Crosby County in northwestern Texas, until 8 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Calgary, or 9 miles west of White River Lake, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Crosbyton, Spur, Dickens, White River Lake, Calgary, and Caprock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Texas.